Namaste students. In my last lecture, I have told you about many formulas of areas related to circles. I hope you have learned those formulas and started doing your exercise 12.2. While doing your exercise, you might have faced problem in some of the questions. So in today's lecture, I am doing few questions for you people. First of all, I have taken question number 3rd of the exercise 12.2. In this question, they are talking about a clock. They are saying that in a clock, when we talk about clock, clock means circle. In a clock, length of the minute hand is given. Minute hand means radius of the circle. They say if length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter, then we have to tell the area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes. When this minute hand, suppose initially it is at 3, then 5 minutes. From 3, it reaches at 4. So 5 minutes are being covered. When we just see, look at the figure formed. It's a sector. For finding area of sector, we need radius, that is this length of minute hand only, that is 14 centimeter. So radius we are having 14 centimeter. And second thing we need theta, angle swept by the minute hand. Now how much angle will be swept in 5 minutes? Let us calculate this thing. When minute hand takes a round, complete round, that means 60 minutes are being covered. And this 60 minutes, what angle is being made? Complete angle, that is 360 degree. That means we can write angle made by minute hand in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Then in 1 minute, how much angle is being made? 360 degree divided by 60. So after cutting, we will be getting that angle swept in 1 minute is 6 degree. Now in the question they are talking about 5 minutes. The area swept in 5 minutes. So how much angle is being made in 5 minutes? 6 into 5, 30 degree. So the value of theta we have obtained 30 degree. R is already given in the question as 14 centimeter. And from the figure we have concluded that we have to find area of sector. So area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. After putting the value of radius 14 centimeter and theta as 30 degree in this formula, we'll get the value of area of sector. Let us see what value comes out to be. Pi 22 by 7, radius 14 into 14 and 30 upon 360. After cutting, we are getting 22 into 7 upon 3. So if we multiply 22 with 7, we will be getting 154 upon 3 as centimeter square. This is the area swept by the minute hand. If you want to convert it into decimals, divide 154 by 3, get your answer 51.33, so on. That means you can write it as approximately 34. So area of sector comes out to be 51.34 centimeters. Next I have taken question number 9, where they say that a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle. Brooch is in the form of the circle with diameter 35 millimeter. That means diameter of the brooch of the circle is given to us. Then they said the wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle in 10 equal sectors. And we have to find the total length of the silver wire required and the area of each sector of the brooch. Let us see how to do this question. In this question, they have given a brooch in the form of a circle. So I have drawn a circle. Then they said in this circle, 5 diameters are being drawn. So I have drawn 5 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diameter is given to be 35 millimeter. So radius will be 35 upon 2 millimeter. First part, they are saying find the length of the wire used. How to find the length of the wire? Where is wire used? Wire is being used to form this part, outer part, that means circumference, and then 5 wires are used inside diameters. So that means if we calculate circumference of the circle and add 5 times diameter in that, so we'll be getting length of the wire used. Now circumference of the circle means 2 pi r. So we'll be calculating circumference 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is 35 upon 2. So it comes out to be 110 millimeter. Now as I told, total length of the wire will be circumference plus 5 times d, 5 times d diameter. So 110 plus 5, diameter is 35. 110, 5 into 35 will be 175. After addition we will get 285 millimeter. 285 millimeter is the length of the wire used to make the brooch. Then second part, they have said find the area of each sector. For finding area, we need theta. Theta is not given in the question. See, at the center, angle of 360 degrees is being made, complete angle. Now this complete angle is being divided into 10 parts because 5 diameters are being drawn. These 5 diameters have divided this 360 degree into 10 parts. So in each case, theta will be 360 degree divided by 10. So theta will come out to be 36 degree in each case. Now area of sector, pi r square theta upon 360, 22 by 7, 35 by 2, 35 by 2, theta is 360 upon 360 degree. Let us see what comes out to be after cutting. So what are we getting? 11 into 35 upon 2 into 2 means 11 to 35 means 385 upon 4 millimeter square. 385 upon 4 millimeter square is the value of the area of each sector in the brooch. Now let us do question number 13 of exercise 12.2. In this question they have given us a round table cover having 6 equal designs. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, we have to find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. The value of √3 is given to be 1.7. Figure is given to us. They have given that 6 designs are being made. Because of these 6 designs, hexagon is being made. What is to be calculated? These designs, area covered by these designs, and if I draw these radii, what kind of figure I am getting? This is sector minus triangle. Will be this part, means we have to calculate area of 6 minor segments. For that we need area of sector and area of triangle. First of all, what is the angle made in each sector? As I've done in question number 9, there this complete angle was divided into 10 parts. Here, this complete angle is divided into 6 parts. So each angle will be 60 degree. For calculating area of sector, I've written formula pi r square theta upon 360. Pi r is 28, theta is 60 upon 360. 6, 7, 4s are 2, 3. So we have obtained 44 into 28 upon 3. After multiplying 44 and 28, I got 1232 and upon 3 is there. This is the area of the sector. Next we have to calculate area of triangle. In this question, I have told you that this angle is 60 degree. Everywhere it is 60 degree. And these are the radii. So angles opposite to these radii means equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides will also be equal. And we know that in a triangle, sum of all the angles is 180. So 60 plus x is equal to 180. So after calculation, we will get these angles are also 60 degree. So that means these triangles are equilateral triangles. And for equilateral triangles, we know that the area of triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side is same as radius. So this will be root 3. Root 3 is 1.7 upon 4 and side is 28. So we have obtained 1.7 into 7 into 28. So after multiplying 28 into 7 into 1.7, I have obtained 333.2 centimeters square. This is the area of the triangle. Now for calculating area of minor segment, it is area of sector minus triangle. Area of sector we have already calculated 1232 upon 3 minus area of triangle. After taking LCM, it will become 999.6. After subtraction of these two numbers, I got 232.4 upon 3. This is the area of one minor segment, and in the figure we are having 6 minor segments. So we have to calculate 6 areas. Area of 6 minor segments will be obtained by multiplying the area of one minor segment with 6. So we have obtained 464.8 centimeter square. This is the area of 6 minor segments. Next, they have given us the cost of making design, that is 0.35 per centimeter square. So we will be multiplying this area with 0.35. We will be finding the cost of making design. Cost of making design 464.8 into 0.35. So if we remove the decimal, and dividing it by 5, 5 sevens are, 5 twos are, and then this is the even number, got cut by 2. So multiplying 2324 into 7, so we have obtained 16268, but it is 100 also. 100. So the cost is 162.68 rupees. So cost of making 6 designs of the table cover is rupees 162.68 rupees.